Hello comrades! Today I will cook stuffed Venus waffle. It is not simple like blins, Russian pancakes, but also very good. I take 150 grams butter from Freight and I rub it on a grate. Mix butter and 100 grams sugar. I break into a blend of 3 eggs. And pour 200 milliliters of warm milk. I mix everything. Measure it 350 grams flour and add it to the blend. Блин, forgot I have imported ingredients. Must be added to the blend 10 grams baking powder, some lemon juice and salt. Again, I'll mix it up until smooth. Spread the blend in a heated waffle iron and cook 15 minutes before the appearance of rogue. Before use, waffle are best to pour syrup or something like that. I use ice cream for this purpose.
На здоровье.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe on channel and share this video. See you next time.